Go for a little rip. There's no trail here. It's supposed to get a lot easier. Bike just overheated. So much respect for the guys that do this. Unrideable. No idea what we're doing. Oh God. Oh, there it goes. Good morning, everybody. Today we hit the road, headed down to Johnson Valley, California. Gonna go out there and meet Justin Wicks. We're gonna ride some of the previous King of the Moto race courses and see if we have what it takes to race King of the Moto 2023. If this goes well, I'm gonna consider signing up for King of the Moto. Let's get going. Made it. Just pulled onto Boone Road. Camped probably somewhere near Turkey Claw, just to be off the lake bed. Man, it's just amazing out. That's Cody Wagner's Laser Town, if you've seen any of that. Some cool UTV guys over there. I saw Bryce Menzies UTV. They're out here doing some testing, it looks like. Gonna unload the bike and just keep getting camp set up. Justin should be here shortly. Go for a little rip this afternoon. Let's make sure the bikes are running good. Put a new tire on. I want to make sure I didn't like pinch the tube or something stupid. Let's get the bike unloaded. By doing this, you agree to be on the YouTubes.
All right, so, sounds good.
Yeah. How's the drive?
Wasn't too bad. A lot quicker than I thought it would be.
How long does it take you?
Kind of like 8 hours, 8-9 hours.
Morning, day 2. We're gonna go ride the 2021 King of the Moto afternoon lap or course. How far do we think it is?
No idea with mileage, but should take us about 3-4 hours to finish.
Okay, it'll take Justin 3 hours. It'll take me times 2 plus. Okay, it'll take me 6.5. So that's the goal today. It's, I don't know, morning. What time is it? 8:30 right now. It's brisk out, but it's not bad. We'll fuel up the bikes and head over to where the course starts and see how it goes. Here we go. Like all things GoPro, I know this isn't gonna do it justice, but this is really steep. Justin's a great rider. Just made all that look really easy. Let's see if I can maybe go get caught up to him. Oh, my bike does not like this cold weather. I'm on the first hill. We've probably been here for 20 minutes already. We started right there and there in the sand. It's super gnarly. Like, I feel like I'm looking like straight up at Justin. Unrideable, like just foot dabbing and standing next to the bike and clutch dumping it. And I'm at a point where I genuinely don't think I can get my bike up by myself. I don't know how Justin did it, but he's probably gonna have to help me get over this rock if he wants me to ride with him the rest of the day. So much respect for the guys that do this. So gnarly.
We started out pretty good. Bottom wasn't bad. As soon as we hit the hill, it got a little interesting. Had to help each other up, and top was a nightmare.
And when he says help each other out, he means he had to help me. I didn't ever help him. Let's just be clear about that. We started down there on that sand dune, and what, 30-40 minutes later we're up here?
Yeah, about half hour later we're up the top.
So that's cool. What trail do we call this?
This is Idle Issues.
Supposed to get a lot easier now. Wish us luck. Current situation, half the way up Jack North. Bike just overheated, spit a little coolant out. I've never, in 4 or 5 years of owning this bike, I've never had it spit coolant. So it's only like 50 degrees out. So that tells you how hard working the motor and the clutch to get up this stuff. Justin's kicking butt. He's up there just taking breaks. This poor video is just not gonna do this justice. What do you think, Justin? Ew. He's killing it. He's absolutely killing it. Just got done with Jack North. Now we're gonna head over to Upper Sledge, and then it's a mystery from there. Upper Sledge, okay. Gnarly. This one over. All right, we just walked for a couple feet. At this point, I really don't know what's worse, going up or going down. I think I just like riding across the lake bed. Oh God. Okay. Captain's log, day 562. The crew is weary. Only done like, I don't know, 3 rock trails. I just got my first cramp in the forearm, my throttle hand. I've been off the bike more than I've been on it. Justin's had to pull my front wheel up several times already. I've had to help him 0 times. We're definitely solidifying my previous held belief that this King of the Motos stuff is way harder than King of the Hammers. I mean, the hardest thing about the car race is the mechanicals of a car built by a bunch of non-engineers in their garages. Oh God! Oh, there it goes. Crashing and I'm not even riding. Let's try that again. The hardest part about the bike race is the sheer talent it takes to ride a bike, combined with the fitness. And the less talent you have, the more fitness you need. I don't really feel like I have either. So yeah, it's going great. We are at the top of Sunbonnet. I think we've run 3 trails.
Yeah, 3 trails.
Third of the way. Where does it go from here? Does that look like?
It might go at 1920.
1920 maybe. And then the far end of the course looks like Spooners maybe. And then we're kind of working our way back after that. Okay. All right, we think we're at the bottom of 1920. This will be fun. We'll see. Top of Highway 20. Just took a little lunch break. I should have time-lapsed that. Videographer. Okay. Moving on. What's next? Do we have any idea?
I think Spooners is next.
Spooners.
Like Spooners to Outer Limits.
Let's just try not to have Spooners live up to its name. Here we go. Okay. Well, what they say, you're gonna crash, get it on film. at the bottom of Spooners. I wanted to take the bypass, but Justin said we couldn't. I don't think the bikes get to take any bypasses, so the bypass road's right up here to my right. This is the gnarly section. I'll turn the camera around and show you guys. I just heard Justin shut off his bike, so that's always a bad sign for me if he's turning off his bike. I can't even see him, I just see rocks.
I don't know, what, like halfway through Spooners?
Yeah.
Lower half was pretty challenging. I don't think there's a whole lot of rock trails left, so that's...
Gosh, he keeps saying that.
That's good. I keep saying that, but I think I'm right this time.
He's trying to keep me motivated. He can see I'm just like slowly just nosing over.
Trying to keep Kevin into it.
Trying to keep me into it. I'll go chin mount for what's up ahead and probably catch Justin doing all kinds of cool stuff and making it look easy, and then we should get some sunshine again. We're in the shade right now. Top of Spooners. That's it back there. Thanks Justin for the help. You crushed it. Another trail.
I didn't help you that much up that one.
Yeah, I don't know about that. It's probably not on camera, so.
That's the important part.
Yeah. All right, where do we go from here?
Well, we're just gonna follow this little squiggly line I got in front of me until we get back to camp, I guess.
A couple more trails, maybe?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. All right, here we go. There's no trail here. No idea what we're doing. Headed back to the camper, kinda, so that gives me a little bit of hope. Okay. Here we go. You know, most guys, Justin, when they leave breadcrumbs, they just mark it on their GPS or something. You don't have to leave pieces of your skid plate on all the rocks. There's all these bright red little smears along the way. It's great.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Yeah. Oh, another cramp. Another cramp. Okay. That might like be my camper out there, that little shiny spot.
I think it is, yeah. Damn, we're a ways away.
No. Dude. This was the dumbest idea.
Yeah, fuck, you guys are pretty damn dumb.
We just did the whole 2021 course.
Oh, no shit?
And I've officially decided I am not going to sign up for the race.
Come on. If you did it, dude, then... I don't think that's the one.
Well, he had to drag me through most of it. How you doing?
Not bad. Justin.
Nice to meet you, Kevin.
Good to meet you. You're still gonna race it, come on.
No, dude, you guys
throw
are.
a different tire on there.
You guys are nuts.
A tire, a heavy duty.
Some motocross tire
and you'll be good.
with a tube at 12 pounds.
And you did the whole first loop.
I wouldn't have made it up that hill if he wasn't there. Afternoon loop? What do we call it? Is that right?
Well, this
Yeah,
tire is
that's
still
what it
looking
is.
pretty decent. So if you want to put my other tire on,
Oh,
no.
the cramps are fucking. Oh, this thing's tired. This is Justin Weber. He's the guy that lays out the course for King of the Moto. All right, here we go. Back to the RV.